This is pretty much our lifesaver, the ASPECTEK mosquito light buzzer, which, is essential for where we live because we live in an area that is very tropical weather. And I don't know about you, but mosquitoes are pretty much humans' worst enemy and we can't stand them. And this thing works like a charm. It's awesome, it works, it has a beautiful brush that you can clean mosquitoes with when you're done. The cool thing about this is, and I'm actually hanging this right now inside our living room, is this can be an indoor or outdoor bug zapper. So we can move this outdoor. It's got a cool handle on the top and it's 20 volts, so it works magic. We've even caught flies, we've caught spiders, we've caught moths, crickets, you name it. Mostly it's for mosquitoes, but it just works like a charm. I highly recommend it. I think in this day and age, the amount of diseases that they carry, mosquitoes can be pretty dangerous. God knows, what they're carrying with them. And, plus my wife gets welts on her legs the size of Jupiter. I don't know if she has the specific blood type for these things or whatnot. I have no idea, but this is an essential in our house and it works like a charm. Highly recommend.